Good morning, dear students. Today we shall start a new chapter, Roman numerals. So, you know that Romans used 7 symbols to form numbers. Already in your previous class, you have studied about this. The 7 symbols are here, I have listed here, and their equivalent values in Hindu-Arabic notation also I have written. If I say this I, it is equivalent to 1 in Hindu-Arabic system. For V, we write 5. For X, we write 10. For L, we write 50. For C, we write 100. For D, we write 500. For M, we write 1000. So there are some rules how to use the Roman numerals. So the first one is the symbols 1 and 10 can be used up to 3 times and the values are added. So you can write only a maximum number of 3 together 3 times. So, and if you are repeating the same symbol, then their values are added. You can see here we have seen the symbol, it is repeated twice. So its value is 1, this value is 1 and this value is 1 and their values are added. That means if there are 2 symbols together, it will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2. You can see here also 3 symbols together, so it is 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. Rule number 2, Roman numeral of smaller value written on right of a Roman numeral of greater value is added to the greater value. If a greater Roman numeral is written on the left side of smaller Roman numeral, then these values of smaller Roman numerals will be added to the greater Roman numerals. That means if I have a symbol like this is greater value, this is having value 5 and this is having value 1. So 5 is greater than 1. So for this symbol, it will be 5 plus 1 plus 1. So it is 7. For this symbol, we can see that for this symbol, the Hindu-Arabic system is 50. This is having lesser value than this symbol. This is having value 10. So it will be added. Then this symbol is having lesser value than this, so it will be added. So for this symbol in Hindu-Arabic notation, it will be 50 plus 10 plus 1, that is equal to 61. Then rule number 3, a Roman numeral for smaller value written on the left of greater value is subtracted. For this, you can see that this is a greater value and this is having a smaller value. So if I am writing it on the left side of the greater value, then the value will be subtracted to get the symbol, get the number in Hindu-Arabic system. Here you can see it is for this symbol. What I have to do, as it is written on the left side, I have to subtract the value of this from this symbol. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. The same way, this is century whose value is 100 and this is 10. 10 is less than century, so from 100 you have to subtract 10 and you get 90. Some important point, 5, 50 and 500 are never subtracted. You can see for this symbol we have value 5, for this we have value 50 and for this we have value 500. So 5, 50 and 500 are never subtracted. Point number 2, 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100 only once. So this 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100, that too for one time. Rule number 4, when a Roman numeral is smaller value is placed between two numerals of greater values, its value is always subtracted from the value of the symbol on its right. So here you can see that these two are greater values, having greater values than this. So when we get the value of the whole symbol, what will be the result? This is 10 plus the value of the symbol of the right side, that is 5, then subtract the value of this symbol. Its value is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 10 plus 4, it is equal to 14. For this is repetition of the symbols, so 10 plus 10. For this we have to write is 10 minus 1 plus 10 minus 1, that will be equal to 29. Now we shall solve some problems from activity 1, page number 28. Page number 28, you check. Question number 1, write the Roman numerals for, I have chosen C, F and H to find the Roman numerals. The first number is 42. 42 is what? 50. 42 we can write 50 minus 10. It will be 40 plus 2. So using these 7 symbols only, we have to write the Roman numeral. 50 is what? 50 is L. If I am subtracting 10, that means I have to write 10 before 50. And then 2 adding 2, that means I have to write the symbols after the greater value L. The same way, 79 is how much? 79 is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. So 50 is this, 10 is this, 10 is this, 9 is what? This is 10 minus 1, this will be 9. For 91, I cannot write 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. Why? Because there will be 4 tens. 4 tens, we cannot write 4 times this symbol. I have told you in the rules, I can use this symbol only 3 times, not more than that. Therefore, what we have to do? For writing 91, I have to subtract 10, it will become 90, 100 minus 10 plus 1. So 100 is what? So this symbol, then I have to write before this because it is minus, 1 is plus, so 1 is this. Question number 2, write the Hindu-Arabic numerals. So for this, you can see the symbol is repeated, that means it will be plus. 3 times repeated. But here you can see that this is greater and this is greater, but this is a smaller value. So what will happen? This value of the symbol will be subtracted from this value of the symbol. That means this is having value 5. As it is written on the left side, it will be subtracted. So it is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4, so it is 34. For this is having value 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. It is repeated, so the value is 80. For this is greater value and this is the left side, it is having smaller value. This value is having value 100. This symbol is having value 100 minus this 10 plus 5, as it is written in the right side of the greater value. So it will be plus. It is written in the left side, it is minus. So it is 90 plus 5, which is equal to 95. Now we have to check question number 3. Write greater than, less than or equal sign. Question number A, 98. In the box you have to put greater than, less than or equal sign in this box. And here we have Roman notation. For that, what we have to do to solve this, we have to convert this to Hindu Arabic notation. Here you can see that C is having value 100. It is on the left side, so it will be subtracted. So we get 90. It is in the right side, so with 90 the value of the right side is 5, 95. After 5 we have 2, so it is 97. So for this we are having value 97. 98 is greater than 97, so we will have this symbol. You have to solve the problems like this.